Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix we notice some unusual activity error in Google Flow. First, check your internet connection. Turn your Wi-Fi or internet connection off and wait for a few seconds. Then turn it back on and make sure you are connected to a stable network before continuing. Now open the Run tab by pressing Windows and R on your keyboard. Here, type %temp% and click OK. You will see a folder containing temporary files. Now select all the files and delete them. If some files cannot be deleted because they are currently in use, simply skip them and continue. Next, go back and open the Run tab again. This time, type temp and click OK. Here, delete all the files in this folder as well to clear additional temporary system data. After that, open the Recycle bin on your desktop. Now click on Empty Recycle bin and then click Yes to permanently remove all deleted files. Then go to the Start menu and click on Settings. Here, click on Windows Update. Now click on Check for Updates and allow Windows to search for available updates. If updates are available, download and install them completely. Keeping Windows updated can help improve browser stability and fix compatibility issues. After that, go back and restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, open Google Chrome. Now click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Here, click on Privacy and Security. Next, click on Delete Browsing Data. Now select the preferred time range. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. After that, click on Delete Data from this device and wait for the process to complete. Now go back to the desktop and right-click on the taskbar. Here, click on Task Manager. Then check the Processes tab and close any unnecessary applications that may be consuming large amounts of memory, CPU, or network resources. Next, click on the Performance tab and review your system resources to make sure everything is running normally. After that, close Task Manager and reopen Google Chrome. Now try accessing Google Flow again and sign into your account. Give the page a few moments to load and complete any verification steps if prompted. If the error was caused by temporary browser data, network issues, or system performance problems, the service should now work properly. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.